G'day Unites and welcome to week 3 of history. This week we want to continue to look at how the Industrial Revolution impacted people. We know that the world we live in today comes from the inventions of the Industrial Revolution, from transport and planes and cars and ships and trains which were invented in the Industrial Revolution, to the way we communicate and are connected, from people writing letters to the telegraph to the telephone. Our modern world comes from the Industrial Revolution. But the question still remains, what was it like to actually be a human being alive during this time? We've done some book learning about this, but now I think it's time for us to engage our visual analysis skills. So this week we're going to get you guys to watch the Roman Polanski film Oliver Twist. And this is a story that takes place in industrial England during the age of the Industrial Revolution, and it is a hard look at what it was like for those on the lower rungs of society during this time. You're going to see a lot of really interesting things take place in this film. It's going to be very dirty, very gritty, very grimy, and yet you'll also notice that even the poorest people during this time wore what we might think of as elaborate clothing with lots of parts to it. You're going to see Oliver struggle to get things like food, even in a time when he's surrounded by overabundance. You're going to see how the legal system dealt with the desperate, and you're going to see the types of activities that desperate people were driven to. We want you to do a number of things here. Number one, make sure you read your task sheet until you understand it. Number two, read it slowly and read for understanding. And number three, read it at least 3 times to give your brain the chance to understand what the instructions are. There are particular things that we are asking you to look for, and then there is a particular way we're asking you to demonstrate your understanding. We want you to take this film and then turn it into your own creative story. Put yourself in the shoes of a character like Oliver Twist, someone who's alive during the era of the Industrial Revolution, and then write a creative story demonstrating that you understand something of what it was like to be alive in this time. Your task sheet, of course, is found in your Google Classroom. It is right behind me. It's called Term 2, Week 3, and your learning intention is: what were the working and living conditions experienced by the common person during the Industrial Revolution? It's all there. It's up to you. We look forward to what you have for us. Good luck. God bless.